Hazrat Abu Qatada radiyallahu anhu states that a man entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked, "How do you observe fast?" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got displeased at his remarks. When Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu saw his annoyance, he submitted, "We are pleased with Allah's Jalla Jalaluhu being our Lord, Islam being our religion, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam being our prophet, and we seek refuge in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against the wrath of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu kept repeating this statement until his anger appeased. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu then asked, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what about him who observed lifelong fasting?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Neither his fasting nor his breaking is valid." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu asked, "What if someone fasts 2 days and omits it the other day?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Who enjoys strength for it?" Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu again asked, "What if someone fasts 1 day and forsakes it the other day?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "These are Hazrat David's fasts." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu asked, "What if someone fasts 1 day and omit them for 2 days?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Would that I had strength for it." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Observing 3-day fasting every month, and after observing the fasting of the Ramadan, observing the fasting of the next Ramadan is lifelong fasting. And I hope Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will pardon the sins of former and the next year of a person on account of observing fast on the day at Arafah. And I hope that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will pardon the sins of the former years for keeping fast on the 10th of Muharram." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2738.